Fire, music, color, arts, and tradition take over Valencia during Fallas. Las Fallas is in UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity, and that's because it's a festival for all five senses. Taste the traditional churros and buñuelos from a stall everywhere in the city. See amazing fireworks and satiric Fallas monuments up to 30 meters high, full of humor and beauty. Here, the sound of music bands and the explosions of the daily masquerade, where the smell of gunpowder fills the air. That's the work of traditional craftsmen, artists, and custom designers. Are going to visit? Come and enjoy us for Fallas!